let us spill this already spilled juice and talk about ingane zesithembu, right? Guys, can we talk about Uvuyi nobuhle bakhe? Like, this girl, Uvuyi, is so beautiful. Uvuyi is everything that she thinks she's not, right? But girl is always after this guy, and this guy is just, guys, yo, Umpumelelo is saying Uvuyi agabonisi the king uqinisa amandla wokuba u-first wife, but uyawabonisa amandla wokuhlala ku-polygamy. Like, yo guys, yo. And then this virgin girl, how old is she? And then yini yena lesekayenzile to show ukuthi she's going to be able to be the best first wife. Like, guys, let us just digest it. Like, what is keeping Uvuyi kule relationship, except maybe if the D is nice, but other than that, what could it be? Like, what could be pushing her to Umpumelelo and all the things that Umpumelelo is bringing to the table that are not productive to everyone? Not me, not you, not like, I don't know. But okay, I like the fact that she felt the need to sit the family down and address it in that manner, and to just also talk about it, because she did say it was not the first time. But Mina, personally, where I'm standing, I know good you guys are gonna drag me, tell me where to get off, but personally, where I'm standing, she shall never be the second wife. I don't trust it. Even if Umpumelelo uhambisa loyana phambili, Uvuyi will still get married as wife number 3, number 4. And I even see ukuthi uTirelo ngathi will come before Uvuyi, because as they show the show, you can see ukuthi she's there. If she's there, then what does it mean about her relationship, considering that now she is number 2? I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Please do like, share, and subscribe.